In this video, we are going to see how we can block the ads on Facebook. So first of all, we are using it and seeing for the PC version. What you can do is just head over to the profile icon. From here, we access the settings and privacy and click on the settings. And from here, we choose the account center, click on see more in account center. And from here, you will find this label called ad preferences. Click on that. And under the customize ads, you will see advertisers you saw ads from. And here are a few advertisers. So we click on see all and you should be able to see the complete list. So what we do is you choose any advertisers that you want to stop seeing ads from. Choose the advertisers and at the bottom you see hide ads. You click on this and then you hit their ads. Similarly, you can do this for all the other advertisers. And this may take 24 hours to be effective. You will not see any more ads from this advertisers. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.